Hello and welcome back to MK Skilled Workers Canada. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. We're here to guide you through everything you need to know about skilled work opportunities in Canada.
Today, we're talking about the growing demand for skilled workers in Canada in 2025. If you're an air conditioning and refrigeration technician, electrician, plumber, fitter and turner, boilermaker, or even a driver, this episode is for you.
Absolutely. Canada's economy is booming, and skilled trades are the backbone of this growth. These are good, honest jobs, folks. The kind of work that built this country and keeps it running. And right now, Canada needs more hardworking people like you to fill these roles. Sure, take air conditioning and refrigeration technicians, for example. You know, the folks who keep the AC running on a sweltering summer day or make sure your fridge is cold enough for a refreshing beverage.
And let's not forget about those walk-in freezers at your local supermarket. Somebody's got to keep those chickens from thawing out. It's not glamorous, but it's essential work, and skilled HVAC techs are worth their weight in gold.
With Canada's cold winters and increasingly hot summers, this field is in high demand. People rely on these systems to stay comfortable year-round, and that means job security for you.
Definitely. Skilled HVAC techs can earn anywhere from $60,000 to $85,000 annually, depending on their experience and location. And that's just the beginning. With the right certifications and a strong work ethic, you can climb the ladder in this industry.
And don't forget electricians. They're the ones who keep the lights on, literally. From wiring new buildings to fixing faulty circuits, their work is essential for modern life.
That's right, Sarah. You know, I once tried to rewire a lamp myself. Let's just say it involved a lot of sparks and a frantic call to a real electrician. Trust me, these folks are wizards with wires.
They're needed everywhere. Construction sites, factories, residential areas. And with the rise of electric vehicles and smart homes, the demand for skilled electricians is only going up.
Salaries for electricians range from $65,000 to $95,000 per year. And if you're willing to travel to more remote areas where your skills are in high demand, you can earn even more. Then we have plumbers. You know, the folks who deal with the stuff we'd rather not think about. But let me tell you, a clogged drain or a leaky pipe can really ruin your day.
You're right, Mike. Plumbers are essential for public health and safety. They make sure our water is clean, our waste is disposed of properly, and our homes and businesses are free from leaks and floods.
I've heard there's never a shortage of work for them. People always need toilets fixed, sinks unclogged, and pipes repaired. It's a job that's always in demand, no matter what's happening in the economy.
Plumbers can expect to make $60,000 to $80,000 per year, and that's just starting out. With experience, they can hit six figures. Plus, you get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and see the tangible results of your hard work.
Now let's talk about fitters and turners. These are the folks who build and repair machinery in factories, power plants, and all sorts of industrial settings.
They work with metal, using lathes, mills, and other tools to create precision parts. It's a highly skilled trade that requires a good eye for detail and a steady hand.
You know, I gotta try my hand at machining once on dirty jobs. Let's just say I have a newfound respect for the craftsmanship of fitters and turners. It's not easy work, but it's incredibly rewarding.
Fitters and turners can earn between $65,000 and $90,000 annually. And as technology advances and manufacturing processes become more complex, the demand for their skills will only continue to grow.
And let's not forget about the boilermakers. These are the men and women who build and maintain large vessels like boilers, tanks, and pressure vessels. They're the heavy hitters of the industrial world.
Boilermakers work with incredibly strong materials, often in challenging conditions. They're the ones who make sure our power plants are running, our refineries are operating safely, and our factories are producing the goods we rely on.
It's a demanding job, no doubt about it, but it's also incredibly important, and the pay reflects that. Boilermakers often bring in $70,000 to $100,000, especially if they work on large projects or in remote locations.
And let's not forget the sense of accomplishment that comes with building something massive and essential. Boilermakers are the unsung heroes of infrastructure.
And we can't forget truck drivers. These are the folks who crisscross this vast country, delivering everything from groceries to building materials. They're the lifeblood of our economy.
That's right, Mike. Without truck drivers, our shelves would be empty, our factories would grind to a halt, and our lives would be much more difficult. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it.
With Canada's vast landscape, drivers are crucial for transporting goods. And it's not just about driving. These folks have to be skilled in logistics, route planning, and even basic mechanics.
And let's not forget about the solitude and independence of the open road. For some folks, that's a major perk of the job. You get to see the country, meet new people, and be your own boss.
A long-haul trucker can make $55,000 to $85,000 a year or more with overtime. And with the current driver shortage, those wages are only going up.
To everyone listening, this is your chance to take the first step toward a brighter future in Canada. These skilled trades offer good pay, job security, and the opportunity to build a great life for you and your family.
And we're here to help. Subscribe to MK Skilled Workers Canada for tips, guides, and the latest updates on immigration and job opportunities. We'll show you how to navigate the system, upgrade your skills, and find the perfect job in Canada.
Click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Let us help you achieve your dreams.
Thanks for joining us today. Drop your questions in the comments and we'll see you next time on MK Skilled Workers Canada.